Yo, what's the word? Y'all already know me, I'm Dottie, man. I'm back. It's been a minute. Y'all know what's going on. I got a surprise for y'all today. Well, it's not really a surprise. I'm about to show y'all what the fuck going on, man. Anyways, y'all see my hair, man. It looks like I've been going through the struggle. Through the fucking struggle. End of the day, y'all know this army shit is not for the weak. The field life, the night life. Listen, man. But it's time for me to get back because when you're in the field, you got limited access to a lot of shit. So when you got limited access, the only thing you can do is wolf. And if you look at my shit right now, it looks a little crazy. But, you know, what we about to do, we about to get into it, and we about to take y'all through with the view, and we about to show y'all what we do. So first off, what we about to do, we gonna wash the style up. I like to wet my hair. Wet it up, wet it up, wet it up. Don't wet it up too high. You don't need hot water. And it's gonna be too much, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're gonna get all that shit out, but you don't wanna finish your hair with all the natural shit that you got in your shit, you feel me? View, baby, view, baby, view, baby, view, baby. But yeah, nah, y'all, like, I was outside in the field, and I had a couple parties that I had to plan. So just think about it, like, I had some contracts I had to set through, a couple meetings I couldn't attend. I had to have some of my team members do it for me. So, you know, it was a lot going on. Do I really technically feel like I missed out with that? Yeah, no, I wouldn't say that. But I do know, as a businessman, you just can't let, you know, things get in the way. You gotta always find a way to make shit happen while you wanna go. Because at the end of the day, money don't stop, business don't stop. And, you know, you just gotta keep it going. You can't let the bumps in the road stop what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So right now, I'm putting a little more extra water in there. I don't want to get a little lather in there. 2 months. Hear me out. Everybody different. I'll be trying to tell y'all that. But just watch how I do. Watch what I do. Watch what I do. Since we're gonna wash it out, washing, scrub everything. Scrub everything. Scrub everything. I feel like I need a little more lather in there. That's just me. I like to see the. Told y'all, don't be scared. There we go. Don't be scared. Do not be scared. You gonna shock it to it. You know? Don't be scared. Take your hand through there. Take them through there. Take them through there. Yeah? Alright. Now, you go back at it with that detangler. Well, that's what you want to do. Because if you really see, you see noodles, but look where they're coming from. Look at the pattern right there. And I'm going back and forth. I mean, I'm digging in and out. Straight through the head, man. Straight through the head. Scrub it. Whatever you want to do. Let your hair is trained. Let your hair is trained. Now, you see it? Like I said, do not be scared. And what you see, taking it through there, and see what's going on with it, right? All right, boom. So you're gonna keep it pushing right here. So now that we done scrambled it out, detangled everything, now we wanna put everything in the motion. You see? I told y'all, I got a short side, double side. This is my short side. You can see. You can see all right here. You can see it. Look at it. What? Look like moves. Look like you don't ladder. If you closer, deeper. You can see them going. See them going. Again, always remember, I will never sell you a dream. everyone's hair pattern, texture, and growth style is different. The only product that I use is the View, but at the same time, the way my hair is, and the texture and the way it grows, you're gonna see my style may be different from your average or your normal, but that's fine. Because at the end of the day, there are a million people who have the same vision or view of how to do their hair like I do. And it works for them. And it may work for you too. And again, you can see through the lather. Hopefully the camera will be able to pick it up so you guys can see. Don't be scared. So next step, we're gonna wash it out. And then we're gonna get into our brush strokes. So now that we washed that out, right? We're gonna use the View. We're gonna wash it out. Did our washing style, the tint and everything. Now it's time to get to our brushing. Me personally, I add a little bit more. You'll see why. Follow along with your boy. Follow along with your boy. Hold on, got a little water in my eye. But yeah, so you add that in, right? Boom, bow. Now we're about to get to the brushing. Let me out, follow me. Keep the moisture. Not too much. Not too much. That's it, right? Boom. That's it. Boom. Right? Tracking me, y'all tracking me, y'all tracking me, y'all tracking me, y'all tracking me.